little update post, guys, for you. Got some more track. I have all my track except for 2 pieces. I miscalculated my order by 2 pieces and 1 straight down there. So I have to get these 2, so they're in order. So I have to wait just a little bit longer. You see, I've painted my bottom half of my walls. Put a moisture sealer on them first, then a moisture white paint, matte paint on them. So there's the track. 4 lanes all the way until these couple of sections here. A few borders. I'm making the rest of the borders myself out of laminate flooring. And I've used every space possible. This is what I'll be using for the netting, for protective barrier. I need to put some poles in here, just a few, just to protect. And of course, the window came. So I have a lovely window, throwing natural light onto the track. So that's all I wanted to say. It's not all glamour. It's a lot of work. A lot of painting, preparing this first with the pre-painting stuff for the moisture. And the old back is getting sore now, bending down, painting the lower sections now. I use a brush, I don't use a roller, especially on these type of walls. They're very porous. So yeah, all good, guys. All good. Lovely bit of light coming in that window. It's fantastic. And the track's looking well. I got all those pieces from Denny in Slotcar Union, so he should get them out to me within 7 days anyway. And I'll have the track ready then. Then I have to lift up the track, put a bit of underlay on the track. I have to do a bit of cutting up the top, and I'm doing some wiring, extending all the hand controllers as 4 different driving positions: here, 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 and there. So far, that's the idea for the driving positions. I might change them slightly because I'm thinking I might have a movable extension here on the table. Give this a little bit of extra run here on this straight. So I might add a bit to it. But at the moment, my problem is I have a lot of crap in the garage. A serious amount of crap that I have to tidy up, put it up neater, find shelves, find places to put it, put a certain amount under the track. So that's what I have to do. So yeah, but the main thing is I want to get this ready. Visitors coming in 14 days time, so I'm well on schedule. Well on schedule to have it running with minimum scenery. I might be getting some false grass soon, so I'll just stick that in the middle at the moment, and I'll replace it with hills and interesting things later. And I got to get a few barriers sorted out, making a few homemade barriers, as you can see. Homemade barriers coming into that corner. Guess what that is, guys? Very simple. And yeah, so definitely going to be having fun soon. That's it. I won't show you my mush because I'm covered in paint and not in my Sunday best clothes. So that's it. A quick little 5-minute post just to say really appreciate everybody watching. Really appreciate the comments I'm getting, and you know, I really enjoy people watching, and it's so nice of you guys to follow me and watch what I'm doing. And I hope at the end of it you'll be proud of what I do, and I'll be able to do some driving posts and get a lap time for this circuit, and then I can compare it to other cars, and I can start venturing out and getting some different cars. Might get a few MR cars. I might get maybe some scale autos. you know, venture into a few more 132 cars and a little bit of experimentation. Okay, we're at the 5-minute mark, guys. Thanks very much for watching, always appreciated. So thank you. All the best. Harry from Latvia saying ciao.